Today I am going to show the various operation of Matlab. So for that, the first important operation is reading the image file. Just like that, I am read. Just mention the name of the file in a single quotes. .bmp, and that will be stored in a variable known as a f file. We can see that the size of that variable, it is 2 dimension because the file is gray level file. Okay, so you can see that size of a, that will be equal, so 512 by 512 image is there. Now we can see that image file, whatever the image is there, by using a I am show command, just like that. So we can see that this is the image files. We can enlarge or decrease the size of that. So now come to the point, clear the screen by using CLC. Now how to next operation is how to show the histogram by using a IM hist by this one. So that will be show the histogram, means total number of occurrence each level of gray values, that will be shown that. So distribution is okay because everywhere the peaks are there. So this is a good level of histogram is there. Now come to the point. Next operation is cropping. Then how to crop the image, means image portion, by using the first method is there, I am crop. This is f. So by using f cropping, so we have a cursor. By using cursor, we just click on it and drag and leave it, and double click on the cursor positions, so that will be cropped. Now we can show the cropped portion by using this command, that is C. So we have seen that this portion we have cropped. Now come to the point, how to crop the image by using mention the dimension, just like that. Again same function will be called, but here we have to use second parameter as a 4 parameter, that is first of all first left and top, and then size, because we just take the half of the 1/4 of the portion, just like that, 156, and cropped it. So that will be cropped, and now going to show that cropped portion, just like that. This is the cropped portions. Similarly, we can crop other portion also. We can see the histogram of the cropped portion, just like I am hist cell is that. This is the histogram of the 1/4 portion of the cropped image. So this is it, and we can clear the screen again. So in the next section, we are going to display the image in a black and white form. So here I am going to take another image, just like that. I am read this MRI underscore brain image. I have taken. Okay, now we can see that image. What is the image exactly? This is the MRI image. Okay, now how to convert this MRI image in a black and white image, just like that function, IM to black and white, that is F, and I can see that black and white image by using IM show function. This is a black and white image. Okay, fine. So threshold value will be taken as a by default threshold value. Now I am going to show the edges of this image by using, just like that, E is equal to edgh function, by using canny method. This is one of the best method to find all the sharp images, just like that. I can show you the images, just like that. E So we can see that this is the sharp images of the actual images. We can see the image, actual image as well as the aged image side by side, just like that. I am show F and then type IGURE figure, then type I am show age image. So we can see that both the images are side by side images. We have seen that these two images are side by side images. We can compare that image, how the ages are actually retrieved. Okay, fine. So again, clear the screen. Thank you.